Hi everyone, this is Dave from Geekanoids and this is my review of the Keycase iPad case with keyboard. Now this one is available from gearzap.com. It's going to usually cost you £49.95, but at the time of doing this review it's on a special offer at £39.95. Now this is the product packaging. You can see inside the box there is an instruction manual as well, but I've already got it on my iPad. This is the case itself. Very nice looking case. Does add a little bit of bulk to the iPad, but I will reveal why that is in a short while. You can see on the top edge there you've still got access to the sleep wake button, microphone, earphone socket. Around the bottom there we've still got some cutouts that don't quite line up but almost line up with that speaker, and access to the 30-pin dock connector. Now when I was round on this side you might have just caught a glimpse just here of two little additional ports. Now when I open this up that'll become clear what these two are. So this is a magnetic closure. It's not a very strong magnet, but it does a good enough job of keeping the case closed. And let's just open this up, and there we go. This is the case sort of in its full open position. You'll see it's got a built-in keyboard. This is a Bluetooth keyboard. Just have a look at those ports again. These were the two ports I briefly showed you a minute ago. One of them is this port here is a mini USB. You get a cable supplied, and that's to charge the keyboard. Now the keyboard takes around 4 to 5 hours to charge, and I found during my tests I get almost a week and a half of really quite heavy use on the keyboard. Now the other little one there is an on-off switch. I'm going to show you that in use in a minute. And the iPad resides in this part of the case. Now it's not meant to be used like this, but if you have it in this sort of position you do get a slight angle on the iPad, so that's really nice for using it without the keyboard showing. You can also flap this up and get it at this sort of angle. I'll just show you that. That is again a very reasonable angle for viewing video. Or you can put it up in its more upright position, which is like so, and reveal the keyboard. So in this open position you could almost be forgiven for mistaking this for a little laptop. It really does look like a sort of miniature Mac laptop there. Now obviously you haven't got quite the feedback on the keyboard as you would with a regular keyboard, but this is very slimline. It's sort of a rubberized keyboard, and you can see I've got my note application up on the iPad and the on-screen keyboard showing. Well, that's because I haven't got this turned on at the moment, but if I turn this on you get two little lights come on, one for the power and one for the Bluetooth activity. Once it's paired, that on-screen keyboard disappears. So now you can start typing. And it isn't bad at all. You can get quite a good sort of speed, and I think it's really brilliant. I'm quite surprised at how good this actually is. Very good indeed. Now you have got some function keys up the top. We've got some volume keys here for volume up and down. We've got a volume mute as well. We also got some track control here for skipping backwards and forwards, which is really cool. We've also got a keyboard button here, so we can push this and bring the on-screen keyboard up if we want. We've also got a search button which takes you right back out to the search iPad screen, and if I go back, perhaps let's go into say TweetDeck, and whilst that is opening up I can actually push this button here and it takes you back out to the home screen. So you've got sort of a home screen shortcut as well. This is a really nice keypad. I'm going to give you a little bit of a close-up on it actually, just so that you get to see exactly why I like it so much. Very good detail to the keys. It's a joy to actually type on, and as I said before, the fact that you can just carry this around in a normal case and just use it when you need to is a real positive point. Now if I turn my iPad off and we turn the keyboard off as well, Let's just close all of this down, give you one last look at the case with it closed. Now, as I say, it does add on a little bit of bulk. That's a very small amount of bulk when you think you've got a full sort of really well workable keyboard inside this case. This is the Keycase iPad case with a built-in Bluetooth keyboard. Gearzapp.com for £39.95. That's a special offer at the moment. Regular price is £49.95. Even at that regular price, I think this is well worth purchasing. Thank you very much for watching. Please do come back soon and check out more video reviews on the Geekanoids channel. This video is sponsored by Zinio, the best way to read magazines on your laptop, desktop or mobile device. Visit zinio.com.